Hey traders, quick update on MemeCore. It just jumped 25% this week and is now sitting around $2.24, not far from its all-time high of $2.96 back in September 2025. So, what's next? Are we looking at the start of a fresh bullish momentum, or is this just another classic trap before a pullback? Smart money is watching volume, market sentiment, and Bitcoin's direction right now. My take? Stay cautious, don't FOMO in, and always manage your risk. Because in crypto, hype moves fast, but reality hits faster. MemeCore crypto trading signals are in. Solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.